We're staying in our new metalplate.dwg file. And at the moment, we're in the Plan View Layout tab. We're going to jump back to the Model tab. And we're going to zoom out slightly, pan down a bit, and we're going to zoom in on the section view here and the side view. Now, if I hover over the section view here, can you see a little symbol appears on the crosshair? It's letting me know that that section view text is annotative, and it's using an annotative text style. Now, I'm going to go to the Home tab on the ribbon, go to the Annotation flyout, and you'll notice Labels, Model, Anno. So that means that there's a Labels, Model, Anno text style. So Labels is the name of the style, Model is where it's going to be used, Anno lets me know that it's annotative. So I'm going to make sure that it's that one that I'm using. So it's Labels, Model, Anno, that one there. Now, the section view text here, I can click on it, right click, and I'm just going to pop into Properties and check it out. Now, obviously, it's a bit big there, the Properties palette. Let's move that out of the way. And if we look at the text, it's using that style that we talked about. The contents obviously are section view, that's the text contents. Annotative, yes, and it's using an annotative scale of 1 to 2. The justification is middle left, paper text height is 5, model text height is 10. Now, what we've got to do here is make sure that this all is exactly the same for the side view text that we're going to create. So I'll close the Properties palette and just hit Escape a couple of times. Now, I'm going to create some single line text. I'm going to go up to the Annotation panel here, click on the flyout, single line text. Now, I'm on the text layer already, you'll notice, on the Layers panel there. So I'm on the correct layer. Make sure you're using the text layer. Now, the start point of the text, I'm going to right-click and go to Justify. And I want ML, middle left. And I'm going to come down here to this midpoint here, left-click, like so, and come away there. And the rotation angle of the text will be 0, because we want it horizontal. Cursor starts flashing just on the end of the side view. I type in SIDE, side, VIEW, side view. Enter once, enter twice, done. Now, here's the complicated bit. They don't tally up. How do I get side view and section view to tally up vertically in the drawing? Well, it's actually really easy. I'll select section view, click on that middle left grip, and just pop it there to the midpoint. Hit Escape a couple of times and you'll see they're both sitting vertically aligned. So if you now select both of them, shift and right click and go to Move, pick a point somewhere on the text and just drag horizontally using your polar tracking, just drag it out a little bit, click there. You've now got 2 bits of annotative text using an annotative text style. Hover there, can you see that's annotative with the symbol? And that's annotative with the symbol. If I now jump to the Sections and Elevations Layout tab, they display nicely in the Layout tab as well. It's that quick and easy using an annotative text style. Now, just before we finish, I'm going to click on the Model tab. Notice the annotation scale here was 1 to 2. That's the same with annotative text. It's adopting that 1 to 2 annotation scale. And the reason you're using the 1 to 2 there is so that we make sure it displays in our viewport here, which is also at 1 to 2. You can see the standard scale there. So ideally your viewport scale and your annotation scale in the Model tab should be the same in order to make sure that that annotative functionality works.